Okay, it's 2:37 a.m. You bolt awake, heart racing, brain screaming, something is wrong. And the worst part? The room is quiet, so your mind gets loud.
And people instantly assume it's danger, but sometimes it's just the nervous system doing a false alarm. Still, how do we help in the first 60 seconds without telling people fairy tales?
Perfect. No fairy tales, just a first 60-second script you can actually do while you're shaking.
Keep it simple. When someone is panicking, they can't follow a 10-step routine.
Exactly. First 60 seconds, fewer steps, more leverage.
Quick safety note. If someone has severe chest pain, fainting, severe shortness of breath, or new neurological symptoms, they shouldn't treat that as just anxiety.
Yes, if it feels medically scary or different from your usual, don't self-coach it.
Now, give me the simplest explanation that's still true. One sentence. What's happening during nighttime panic?
Your body's alarm system flips on fast, and your brain tries to justify it with scary stories.
And the first 60 seconds should target the body first, because logic is late to the party.
Logic shows up like, sorry I'm late, and meanwhile your heart is doing parkour.
Grounded. Let's build the 60-second protocol that doesn't depend on perfect breathing or perfect thoughts.
Deal. First move, stop feeding the alarm.
Meaning?
Don't check the clock, don't grab the phone, and don't sit up and start interrogating your life choices.
That's hard for people. They reach for the phone like it's an oxygen mask.
And it's the opposite. It's like pouring gasoline on a smoke alarm.
Okay, remove fuel, but we need something physical they can do immediately.
Here's the script. If you wake up in panic, do this.
Go.
First 10 seconds, keep your eyes soft and do one slow exhale. Not a big heroic inhale, just exhale gently and long.
Why exhale first?
Because a long exhale tells your body, we're not sprinting from a bear. It nudges the brake.
Fair. It can shift things toward calming pathways, not magic, physiology.
Next 15 seconds, drop your shoulders and unclench your jaw. Most people don't notice their jaw is locked.
Panic hides in muscle tension.
Next 20 seconds, say in your head, this is a panic surge. It feels dangerous. If I have red flag symptoms, I get help. If not, I ride the wave for 60 seconds.
Good. That keeps it safe and reduces catastrophizing.
Last 15 seconds, give your brain a job that isn't fear. Press your feet gently into the mattress for 5 seconds, then release. Do it twice.
Why feet pressure?
It anchors you in the body and signals control. It's your nervous system hearing, I'm here, I'm stable.
And it's simple. No equipment, no special skills.
That's the first 60 seconds. The goal isn't instant calm. The goal is to stop making it bigger.
Most people accidentally escalate. Clock check, phone, bright light, mental debate, then full spiral.
The spiral is your brain opening 37 tabs at once, and each tab is screaming.
Now people will ask, what if it doesn't work immediately?
Then congratulations, you're human. The goal is not instant calm. The goal is a smaller second wave.
Common mistakes. Let's name them.
Mistake 1. Sitting up and problem-solving your entire life.
That's cognitive activation. Don't give your brain a project at 3 a.m.
Mistake 2. Trying to breathe perfectly, like it's a test.
Breathing isn't an exam. Long exhale is enough.
Mistake 3. Checking symptoms obsessively. Pulse, apps, Googling.
If you have red flags, seek care. If you don't, repeated checking trains your brain that this is an emergency.
It teaches, we survived because we checked. Not true, but the brain learns it.
Okay, minute 2 to 10. Panic can come in waves. What do we do after the first 60 seconds?
Options are 2. Option A, stay in bed. Option B, get out briefly.
When should they choose the get out option?
If you're stuck and the bed starts feeling like a battlefield, if you're tossing, sweating, fighting it, get out for 2 minutes.
That prevents the bed from becoming a cue for danger.
Option A, staying in bed, keep lights dim, keep eyes soft, and repeat exhale longer than inhale. Do 10 breaths.
Add one grounding cue.
Yes, pick one. Feel the pillow under your cheek, feel the blanket weight, or feel your feet pressing lightly. 1 sense only.
Why 1?
Because in panic, 1 is doable. 5 can be too much.
Option B?
Get out of bed slowly. No phone, no bright overhead light. Sit somewhere safe. 1 hand on chest, 1 on belly. 10 slow breaths with a longer exhale.
And no pacing like you're being timed.
Exactly. No 3 a.m. cardio.
Then what?
1 sentence only. My body is having a surge. I can handle 60 more seconds. Then back to bed when the edge drops even 10%.
You don't need zero panic, you need less sharp.
Now, the big fear. What if something is wrong with me?
Decision rule. If it's new, severe, escalating, or comes with concerning symptoms, get evaluated. If it's a familiar pattern and you've been checked before, treat it as a surge and run the protocol.
That clarity alone helps.
Another objection. Breathing doesn't work for me.
Then don't make breathing the hero. Make exhaling the hero. Or skip it and use muscle release.
Give a muscle-based version.
Press your palms together for 5 seconds. Release. Press your heels into the mattress for 5 seconds. Release. Shrug shoulders up for 3 seconds, then drop them. Repeat once.
Solid. It burns off some of that alarm energy and restores control.
It's like telling your body, I'm driving, you can sit down.
Now the tough love part. What should they stop doing tomorrow that keeps this cycle alive?
People focus on the night but sabotage the next day.
3 next-day mistakes.
1. Sleeping in late to make up for the night, which can shift your timing and make the next night worse.
It can weaken sleep drive at night.
2. Extra caffeine in the afternoon because they're wrecked, then they're wired.
And they're surprised.
Like, why am I awake? Because you drank Ambition at 4 p.m.
3rd,
fearing bedtime all day, scanning your body, rehearsing panic. That preloads the alarm system.
anticipatory anxiety, the fear of fear.
Daytime fix is tiny. Practice 60 seconds once per day when you're calm. Long exhale, shoulders down, 1 phrase.
Why practice when calm?
Because at night you default to what's familiar. You don't learn swimming while drowning.
Okay, give the clean tonight if it happens script.
If you wake in panic, don't check the time. Don't touch your phone. 1 long exhale. Drop your shoulders, unclench your jaw. Say, this is a surge. I can handle 60 seconds. Press your feet into the bed, release. Repeat once.
If after a few minutes you're still fully activated, do the 2-minute reset. Out of bed, dim light, no phone, 10 slow breaths, 1 sentence, back to bed.
That's it.
Quick recap. Don't feed the alarm. Exhale first. Relax jaw and shoulders. Label it safely. Anchor with pressure. Then choose, soften in bed or brief reset out of bed.
Now the emergency version for people who can't remember anything.
1 phrase, 1 move.
Phrase, this is a surge, it will pass. Move is a long exhale.
If breathing feels hard?
Move becomes press feet, release.
If this keeps happening frequently or is worsening, professional support is a good idea.
You don't have to white-knuckle it alone.
This is educational, not medical advice. If symptoms are severe, sudden, or worrying, please talk to a qualified clinician.
7-day challenge. Once per day, when calm, practice 60 seconds. Long exhale, shoulders down, 1 phrase. 1 minute.
At night, you run the same script. You're training your brain. This is familiar. I know what to do.
And if it only helps 15% tonight?
That's still a win. Small reductions matter.
We're not chasing perfect sleep, we're building a calmer response.
Next time, we'll cover what to do after the panic ends so you don't get the second wave of what if it happens again.
Until then, don't feed the alarm. Exhale, soften, label, anchor. You've got a plan.